If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select All to see regular updates.
Hello all, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting question. So this is asked by one of our viewers in the comment section of one of our videos. So you have a table named employee attendance. So in that you have two columns, employee name and date. So employee Adam, Andrew, Stephen, Philip and Samantha. So these are the employees and these are the dates which they are present. So uh, ideally this data is for January 1st to January 7th. So assuming that all of the days are working days, we need to return the data of employees on and the date when they're absent. So if you see example, Adam here is present on Jan 1st, 3rd, 4, 5 and 6. So Adam is absent on Jan 2nd and Adam is absent on Jan 7th. Similarly, Andrew here is present on 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Andrew is absent on 1 and 2. So similarly, for each and every employee, you need to return the employee name and the dates when he or she is absent. So hope you understood the question. So now let's see how to solve this. So first, what I'll do, I'll create a CDE with distinct employee as I'll write select distinct employee name, employee underscore name from employee attendance. So if I do this, what I'll get? I'll get all the distinct employee names. And now, what I'll do, I'll get one more city as distinct dates as. So here, select distinct date from employee attendance. So here, what I'll get all the distinct dates. That is from Jan 1st to Jan 7th. So now what I'll try to do, I'll try to do a cross join. So cross join is nothing. So I'll try to do a cross join between the CTs. So DMP E cross join uh, D date D, and when I do a cross join, what I'll get? I'll get a Cartesian product between all the employees and all the dates. So now I got all the Cartesian product of all the employees and all the dates. So Adam data is from Jan 1st to Jan 7th, Andrew again from Jan 1st to Jan 7th, Philip, Samantha, and Stephen from Jan 1st to Jan 7th. Okay, so 5 users and 7 dates. So total 35 rows. So now what I need, an employee attendance already has the data when the employee is present. So what I'll do a left join employee attendance EA on E dot employee name is equal to EA dot employee underscore name and D dot date is equal to EA dot date. So when I run this, let's see what we are getting. So basically this entire cross join, we're doing a left join with the employee attendance. So whenever the employee is present, that value will be shown as that value will be filled. If the employee is absent on a particular date, the value will be shown as null. The value is shown as null because in the employee attendance you have only the dates which are where the employee is present. So now we need to return the employee name and date where the employee is absent. So we need to return all the rows where we are having nulls in the employee name and employee date from the employee attendance. So we need to add a where condition where EA dot employee name is null. So I'll just write E dot employee name comma D dot date. So when I run this, we'll simply get the employee when the employee is absent. So if we run this together, let's validate the data. So now here for Adam, Adam is absent on Jan 2nd and Jan 7th. And similarly Andrew on Jan 1st and Jan 2nd. Similarly for all the employees. So hope you understand the solution and also the question. If you like my video, please click on the like button so that YouTube will understand that you are liking my videos content. Thank you. Have a nice day.